Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. In this video, I'm gonna show you how can you write a book on ChatGPT. So first of all, just go to your ChatGPT web browser. Now in the message, just type the title of your book, just like write a book on laptop. Now here you can see by just asking, ChatGPT will give you a whole book, or you can just add more items to it, just like write chapter 1 more. And by like this, you can just give instruction to ChatGPT and it will write a whole book for you. So guys, that's how you can write a book on ChatGPT. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Team channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.